Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a pair of scissors. Let's start off by drawing a long hook shape like so. Then, draw a long straight line that's parallel. Mirror the first line on the other side, but slightly lower to make the blades. For the part where the scissors cross, draw a short line at a 45-degree angle from the middle line, followed by another one from the top line at a slightly wider angle. At the bottom line, start with a short line at an angle, followed by a pair of lines sticking out from behind like this. Next, to start the handle, draw a line across the open end that sticks out past the edges a tiny bit. Then, a long loop that starts perpendicular, curves and straightens out like so, and loops all the way back to the other side. For the other handle, mirror the same steps on that side. Draw two big ovals in the handles for the part where you place your fingers. And finish it off with a small circle where the two pieces connect. And now you've got a pair of scissors.